Nation, Richard Brown films. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say. One thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey. Just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, whilst that boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now go for your church, boss. Not a Both you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system a twister. But you are part of the system what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, oh, Candy.
Hold on, I need to talk to you. I had to tell you if you set for your clothes a man in time, you know. Look for your color. Fix up your clothes good. Mommy, big boy, you not press your clothes.
Mommy, I know me press my clothes and you press my clothes for me.
Me not press your clothes this morning. Me tell you, say the iron the round at the back if you go and go press your clothes. So I saw you go to school. Anyway, you can't turn back, go press it again, you know. This can't iron again because it'll get late. And let me tell you something. You see, when you go down to the school, you need to behave yourself and study. Take your book. Education is the key to success. So if you want to go out, they go play football like we always do. You see, and do all kind of foolishness and run up and down with friends. That is your business.
So, Mommy, what is success, Mommy, and how me get the key for it?
Let me tell you later when you come from school. You brush your teeth this morning?
Yes, Mommy, I brush my teeth.
So you have to smell your mouth to know if you brush your teeth. Hold on. Take off your bag. Take off your bag. Let me smell your arm. You use Roland?
Mommy, I use Roland.
Look here, nobody with me, you know. Take off the bag because the bag, the black.
Mommy, look in my arm.
I don't want to look under them, I want to smell it. Oh, you put on Roland, you're lucky. But not your clothes properly. What is? You're just big and craving, so one can't tap nyam. You have to stop eating, you know. Remember I said this a khaki suit when I buy for you, I serve you for 3 years, I'm not buying it anymore. You understand me? So you need to go to school and not bother with the up and down. Listen to the teacher them, and you can go and walk up and down, and they fight off people, pick them, then come to me. And you will see what me do with you. You understand me? Come go on to school and make sure you catch devotion. Oi. Hold on. And remember say, don't play with Bigger Joe. That boy going to put you in a problem.
Mommy, me can't get KFC for me dinner, Mommy.
KFC, me say no for ramp with the people, them picnic and go make you go river, go drown and go thief people things and put me in trouble. Go on to school about your KFC. You can't spell KFC. Go on where they go. Oh, Tada. And if you come from school late, you see what me do with you.
evidence. Like this, sir. Size 15 show slippers, sir. Alright. Yeah, I think that's it, you know. Hard work.
Mommy.
Bigger Joe, where you really come back to me for? Me don't tell if you change and go on my talks already.
Mommy, but you not give me money if you buy something for drink.
You not forget, me not forget you no money cause Matox cook every day I get down there. So you get food to eat.
I be a tang in drink, mommy. Me not drink tang. Me must have me allergic to tang.
Matox not drink tang. I pay blend up and agate in look boat down there. Blend up and in and pay agate. So when you go down there we get food. Don't worry yourself. Take your time and go on.
Alright.
Oi, Bigger Joe.
Yes,
how you
mommy?
going back for your back?
Mommy, me not want to see me like Fronzy man Earl. Run taxi.
Which Fronzy man with name Earl?
Rasta man. Every time I take that man taxi, man, ever Fronzy. Especially when breeze are blow hard. And he love lock up in taxi see with the AC turn on and he ever smell stink.
You know what you should said? You should said Fronzy taxi man Earl. You should not said Fronzy man. And go on. Cause you go on like say you're Prime Minister. You have so much sense. Galang, walk up and galang out of my talks and before the time get later, boy. For me broke this cross your back, cause you know me give you already, you know.
Mommy, but you never give me a kiss before me go.
Go on. You come like your destruction, but that's why me have to left him cause in too torment and you take care of him. See him like that's why you come so. Come see him like a little destruction crosses in my life.
Look a boy. How you not going to school? Oh, I say me do a mass math up so go learn trade. If you can't take care of him and myself and him man. Then I mean if you tell me say your mama send her go down math to go learn trade at such a tender age, eh? Before you find yourself in a school for go learn something. Eh? What you want to come like a little rest of hoodlums them, don't you? You want Papa put up on the news and chat when I go so? Or you want come like your Dutchy step Papa, Jing Bang Lee? Eh? I know Jim Bang Lee are my birth father. He's my stepfather, so I can step on him at any time. Understand? You are not my stepfather, nor my currently father. So here you are. I'm going to go about my business, and while you go so with your big pants, and don't talk to me again, man. Tired of you, man. Every day you sit down on people's name. You know, don't find seated. What more comfortable you are? The rich man seated down on the broke people seated down on the poor man seated down on. What the hell you know go kill yourself and done, man? Tired of you, man. That's right for union village lion. Can't lie. It's alright. I see I one bag of different mix up in you when time your mother did get to cause your mother wasn't taboo back in the time. But it's alright. You know what you say how much? Your wife, where you say your wife? I'm my woman. I'm my tag you think some size little boy, you think some me and one of your mother customer from 1985, you see? Damn crosses.
Mumsel, how you doing, so? So, how you doing, so? So say, yeah, water your little gardens of the herbs with the nerves, you know. So, how you do? Where you did?
Just a water it to make them can flourish, you know? Yeah.
Because from where they me, man, them down the road, I say you have the highest grade, you know. So, how you put on them, so? Eh?
Good ganja me have, man.
Oh, good too. And this is one little garden from the front, because you don't want to...
I sell the good things them down here, so man.
Sure. So, yo, what bigger Joe there, because yo,
you know,
the little thing for him, you know, because I don't know that when him a day American, I want to look at one by. You know their style.
I knock off a pipe and contact.
Alright.
Here?
Yeah, man.
Bigger Joe, you ask me about? Sometimes I have to go and day for my picnic. Because I tell you, say Bigger Joe now. Here, you know.
One thing, what him do?
Bigger Joe, can't bother with him. Only God see I know, so I really can't bother with Bigger Joe because sometimes I have to one day Bigger Joe for my picnic, you know. I tell you, say Bigger Joe bad, you know.
Sure.
Bigger Joe go to school, take care of people, them picnic money. And Bigger Joe, well, I not even know if he say right now, Bigger Joe just get on top of my nerves.
Sure.
You understand me? I say, because right now one woman just move in our community who live over there, say, you know.
Yeah.
To see him son, you know. And the boy, before the boy they at school and learn, the boy take people them picnic and carry people them picnic a river. Nearly drown up for them picnic. Eh?
Sure, God.
The poor boy man nearly fight. Take a Bigger Joe. Me can't manage it. God no. Me can't manage it no longer.
Judge God. Hey, me say me disappointed in him, you know. Me can't believe say so big a Joe really a move.
I saw him go on a lip for them, you know, cut your lip for them pitney, girl pitney lick. Beat
Yeah,
up
tell you.
pitney.
Judge
Can't
God.
manage him. Me just can't manage it no longer. That's why I'm gone. Me send him go and learn shade, yeah, man. Me can't bother with it.
Really? When you say you gonna learn trade?
This morning.
Hey, you know say a long time for go learn trade though. Cause I guess what that them man they are waste man on the yard, you know. Bigger Joe, a big waste man on yo, a matter of fact.
Me no want you to talk about me pitney still, you know. True me tell you saying in gonna learn trade and all these things, you know. Me tell you saying beat up people pitney at school and people data, you know. But that
See?
thought they say bumpy.
Was like when you're there, was a look out and things in the room and I done I think yeah man love you, yeah, I'm here I go on now. See? Now I give a bigger Joe one. See now, that's when the thing done and you're good, me give you a fair part.
You know say you're a dirty man. Me I tell you say you a dirty man because you just give me bigger Joe money alone and just because me tell you say me dey for me thing, you know, and give me no money. No man, you're wicked, you know. You stay so, make you stay so, man. Me not like your style.
I say you go on.
You can't move so with me. But anyway, you know say this come this morning, but you know bother come, so come on, you go.
Yo, I see you in a easy.
No, laugh no, come on. Come on, no, man.
Yes, ready?
Yeah, come on, now what's stuff. Was nice a while ago. Me I tell you. Yeah. Alright, later, babes. My God.
Yeah, Auntie, what's up? Yeah, what's up? Yeah man, I got the text. I got your text. Yeah, I just got another text too. You know, I just gotta say I love the fact that you're trying to help me and you're looking out for me, you know? So I'm very, you know, happy to know that you know, you send me this money and stuff like that, Auntie. So yeah, Auntie, and you know I don't do MoneyGram, so you gotta send it to the Western Union so I could pick it up, okay? So thank you very much, and I really appreciate it. And when are you coming home to Jamaica to visit? When are you coming here?
Yes, hello? Is this a ALTON police station? Listen to me. I over my yard a while ago and I see a little jingbang Lee, a little hoodlum walking past me yard scamming. Listen, I can't. Listen, I don't want no scammers here. They might mash up. Listen to me. Me see him with gun. Come lock him up now. Yes, him just walk past me yard in a one blue shirt. Him look like them deported who just come down from foreign with nothing in a bag. Yes. But listen, nobody tell the commissioner something is me, it's me. Nobody call me name. Alright, the thinking of the street, just come lock him up now. Mumsel! Sister Mumsel! Come out here to me, man. Come out here to me.
What you want now?
Listen.
What kind of news you carry come now? Come and know you love carry news.
What kind of news me I carry come in here with?
Listen
to me.
To me about now.
You see a little dirty man, Jing Bang Lee. Over me a while ago, basically just wake up. He might walk past me a scam. And I don't want no scammers in this community. This community is a very peaceful community. This a village.
Man, you own business and come out of people business. First of all, and me I tell you, say, my man, I don't know, scammer, I have an auntie a foreign, me I send money come give him. So auntie my chat to send a money come give him. Don't class me, man, but my jingle beat. Wow, you want to call him jingle. You are it, payo.
Due to how the man tell you one bag of nonsense that you know what you believe. You can't tell you, say, anyone and client them is the auntie. And you believe. Because man, I tell you a lie long time and you just believe. But listen to me. I say, this is a warning, you know. I don't want him back here. So if you want him, you go along up a film place, don't where he come from, go meet him.
You can't stop him from come here.
Listen, I don't want him back in here. I'm not making...
Dirty village liar. Come out of my business. You don't know say your sister Nadine there. Left me business alone for your business a while.
Listen to me, I say I don't want him here. And don't make it happen again. As a matter of fact, you see, I might have called CDA upon you think me no know. Say you tap the little boy from go to school because I want him if you go look trade, if you come work and mind you. Eh? It's what kind of mama you be. Make the blasted little picnic grow up and come have an education. Him don't have a proper head already in a try to mash up in education.
Me tell you already, you know. So if you left me business alone now, me tell you, nah.
If your business, listen, you think me no know say you have illegal activity over here, a plant marijuana, eh? You think over me every morning. Calm down. Me not calm down. Me say me no want the Duchess scammer here.
Christ, please, me beg you calm down. Me can't deal with me, so me can't move so. Ah, Jesus Christ. Nobody I hear her. You know say Bushaviers?
Bushaviers, they never know say Bushaviers. But anyways, I say I don't want him here, me done.
You know if you deal with me, so you know say me a good friend for a long time and you live right there, so I live right here, so. You know if you deal with me, so. Calm down, man, and not deal with me, so, man. Yeah, do me that, man.
But anyways, listen. I might want some of the little fella issue where you have a gear around, you see? You see? Over there, so me live. We feel I live good. Don't make it happen again.
Later, yeah, man.
What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. Heaven and earth we know. Candy! Candy, oi!
Oi!
Come here to me.
Give me a second, let me come.
Come here, man, I have news to tell you. It's where the one big boy there. Oh, he's around the stay there. It's where the one big boy there.
Big boy gone to school in the year.
Oh, you know, come in here. Listen, you know, say it's over the one Mumsel yard me I come from. I have to go
over there.
I have to go over there a while ago. Because him have a little man round the place from down the lane. Me over me yard a while ago. Me see him walk past. Hello? Yeah, send the money to me to the Western Union. I scam past me and tell what kind of people them they have up in them. Look, Sister Candy, you're coming out one nice gated bush community. And round here, so the people them live good, them now watch your business, them not chat your business, nothing at all. You see me? But this girl here, him have him pitney up there and him tap the blasted pitney from go to school because him want the pitney to go learn trade for call mining before he send the pitney go along to school. Because the pitney already not have no head already, you know, because him pooper did a madman. He's a madman did breeder. You see me? So that the pitney deserve figure hospital, IR, the school or what. And him take to tap the pitney from go to school. fear big boy, he's a good boy. Him not, him miss the same, him
Oh,
bright.
no, but I go find that one them. I don't like people put their mouth for me. People talk about what you talk about.
But anyways, you never see the little drink man leave or processor?
No, sir.
I just come here to make you be a rare, you know. He's a little scammer boy from down there, so.
Village liar. Be careful when you talk about people. Why you don't leave this scammer them alone? They ain't scam anything from you? How that concern you? No, talk truth now. I want you to listen to me carefully. If the boy a scammer, although I don't know what you talk, I not even see nobody pass you, so. How that concern you? And you sure you hear where the person is on the phone when him a pass?
Listen to
you
me.
You see how people love carry news and mix up people? Leave scammer alone.
Anna, cannot news nor mix up. I tell you, listen. Remember, you know, Mark Ho. See, when you start tea from them, Michael can start tea from you to when you get from them.
Tea from me?
Remember me did tell you.
You know, sister, me burglar bar up.
Burglar bar?
Yes, nobody can tea from me so easy. You mad? Every night me go to my bed, me pray. You feel leave people business alone, man, village liar. I mean, I like your style, you know.
So, Sister Candy. I see over here, you know, one nice little man to come help you grow the boy.
Lord Jesus.
Listen, I can break a burglar bar for you and help grow that little boy. We need a father figure in the place.
Village liar, you realize what you just said to me? Few much here you live over for your yard. You don't have no woman over there. Why you want to come broke my burglar bar? I don't want no man come mind my son. Leave me and my son alone. No thanks. Me no want no money from you. Thank you very much. Anyway, cut long story short. Me thank you very much. If you call me and make me know say my son there river, because if I never you, maybe in that Jones. So God bless you. Thank you very much. Because mother put my hand on my head from that day until now, I wouldn't stop crying.
Listen to me, I want help. I want to put my hand on your head.
No bother with him. I don't want you to put your hand on my head. I have somebody already who can put my hand on my head. Wait. Hey, village liar. When he come here, we see.
Big boy! Come here! How you do that, so?
You know, see, over there, so me just be there just to crawl.
So when you come in there at school?
You know, see, my mother send me go work with the potted mat-ups.
Yeah, bother with the teacher, you know. Yeah, I'm in teacher because the man tell me so me can't eat. I'm hungry. And he send me out of stuff. Hold on for me ears and
No, Daddy, you start eat now. What my teacher said, Daddy, we don't eat around here, we consume.
Whatever, a teacher tell me, say me to come out of stuff and put my foot on my ears and in my foot.
Alright, me can't help you today, no, because guess what? The last time I go help you, your mother give me some liquor out of my fat hood. Me have to go get in trouble with your mother and me. And plus my mother upon it up it. Me no eat, Daddy. So what you do it differently?
You even want to turn over here so too long, you know, man. Every day a teacher and something, give me too much work. Like you want me, like you might tell me, say, if you write a letter with school time.
Well, Daddy,
you know what? You get up here. No, it's security. They're gone down there so asleep.
alright, you know what? I can get now. Try if I can jump the fence. Can I tell if you go walk play security and then the security will wake up, you know.
Come on, go
You try to go buy juice.
So, where you get that from? How you never have no money to buy nothing in this morning?
You say I go pay for it, man, I'm stuff in your bag.
So all of this stuff in my bag, I'm so supposed to make them come look for me and tell my mother.
No wrong if you get in a trouble, because I don't get in a trouble plenty time for you.
You know, so my mother tell me something not for party. I don't know, you come tell me foolishness and make me come on the road there and come thief. Next thing you go thief, the people then start come look for me. And next thing my mother come tell me going to station now because me get locked up for thieving. Me now party again. You go on where I come, I come back, I come you're a thief.
Boy. If I did ever know, see, I saw you stay.
Caribbean Queen. Mumzel, listen to me. Your boy.
Village liar, you saw me see up on the right and me I take you left and you still bother me.
Listen, I don't bother you, but your boy, me see him this morning. It's what kind of dirty mama you be? Eh? You take your poor little boy, we don't like him so right it already, tell him go and learn trade out of mattocks. Oh, you wicked, sir. Eh?
Village liar, come out of my business and leave me alone.
Come out of your business. Come out of your business everywhere. But listen.
Are you make it everywhere because you scandal like around now 14 parish.
You is a dirty woman. I don't know if it's you send that boy off a candy little one gone from Mr. Bruce shop going thief. Eh?
Pick up in there. You know me as a thief. You know me as a hard-working woman selling ganja. Don't play with me, no village liar. Don't ramp, don't mess yourself with me.
Sorry, pardon me, Mrs. Taboo. Pardon me, but I won't tell you anything again. But that little boy, CDA go and take him up off of the street. Or something police we know if you do with him.
Are you about to take off the street? Look, watch it, chatty, 14 parish, you're going to go watch it for them business. Dirty village liar come out of my business and tap tell life on me pitney. Me pitney on tape. Me pitney gone there and cheered village liar. I don't get palm my nerves today in a village liar. Oh, I will tell him come here. What's done? Right here, so me has done. And wait for him to come. I mean, I ramp with no pitney neither, you know. The pitney come put me in a prison and problem and tell the people come tell like on me, you know.
Mommy. Oh boy. I learned to make grill mat-up, sir.
May I come to you? Oh, you learn how to make grill. That's nice. You not gonna know what today, no? You not gonna know what today.
Who tell you that?
You know, say somebody come ride me, I come from out of yard and I go shop and one man stop me and tell me, say you're the out of Mr. Bro shop. A thief, you thief, candy boy. And I come tell me, looking at my face, and I come tell me, say you go down on my talks and you learn. Eh?
You want to call mat-ups?
What make you must go to Mr. Bruce shop, go thief boy? And I send me son, I go learn trade and I come tell me how you learn trade boy and I learn nothing? You not go learn nothing? Me nah no time for call Matox, yeah? Because me know say Matox, me tell Matox this morning say yeah, me send me son come down there, come learn trade. So now me nah have no time for go back go through procedure, but me I call no Matox. Matox will call me and tell me what happen if you come or you not come. But me believe him, man, you know, because you see you turn up there, see you nah send them to me, boy.
What if you say the last part what you say to me right now? Because I don't know what you say. Right now, I'm tired. I want to go lie down and sleep.
Go up in the yard, go pack up your bag and go on your father. Because I don't want to see you. You bring down disgrace for me. And look how me work hard to take care of you and send you to school and see that. You not go to school, go learn nothing. Me and sister not go learn trade. No, you not go learn no trade. A thief, you go thief. Bring shame and disgrace in my place for me. Go and go learn. Go on your father. Walk up, man. Walk up. Walk in front of me too. And me go put you on taxi figure your pa. Be a disgrace here bring down for me, you bigger Joe. It's if me walk up cause you arena come down there to you, bigger Joe. Walk over here, send I bank. Nobody see if you walk to.
Jacqueline, I'll be back. Yes, man, I'll be back. Yes. All right, Sister Jacqueline. I love that zone here. Love that area here. Love that place here. Chief? Yes, Chief. Officer Smiley here talking to you, sir. Yeah? Yeah, man, everything is good as usual. Business is good as usual, you know? I'm on the job 24/7. You know what I mean? I love it, love it, love it. Yes, sir. What? Robbery? Somebody in a blue shirt? Okay, okay, okay. Yes, boss. No, man. I threw me up on the scene, you know what I mean? A lot of car pass and so forth. Yes, Chief. Fire? Oh, oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is dealt with, man. But another fire? Wait. Yes, yes, Chief. I think I see the perpetrator. Chief, I'll call you back, Chief. Oh, what the fuck side I'm going to press up? Hey, don't move further, boy. We have the neighbors, boy. Come on, boy. We are ready to go.
Yeah. Let's go.
I go shoot you. I go shoot you. I go, hey, boy. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, boy, go west. Go west. Go take him. Go west, sir. Tell me something. You have sense? How you feel like the fire? Eh? How the hell you feel like the fire and feel like you have sense? Eh? You feel like you have sense? As a matter of fact, what the hell you do down here, sir? No nigga you come from, boy?
A school me I come from.
School?
Yeah.
Look, sir.
I'm a teacher, tell myself a lie to fire.
Which school you come from? Jamal? Eh? Can you look big and dunce? Where you live? Where you live, by the way?
Round the road, sir.
Round the road, sir? That's some conk in the head. Candy live where there? Or I send Candy send you away? Answer my question, boy, you out of breath? That's one.
My mother there home, my mother.
Ah, come here. Come here, yeah. Come here, yeah. No, fast. Hey, boy, Mr. Come here, yeah. Look, hey, boy.
Mr. Officer Smiley, sir. Please, sir. Just no camera go give my mother. My mother go beat me.
Your mother go beat you? Your mother, when you hang, she hang you and tie you up. Eh? No. She hang you up on a tree there and pull one string from this and a string then out. Happy. Because you don't deserve, for there, sir, waste time. School hours. And you're there, sir, right now. I like fire.
School over.
School over? Eh? What kind of school over? For your school over? Eh? I go lock you up. Where your mother there? Where you live?
My mother got a friend.
Got a friend? Which friend she got?
The one where they...
Hey, shut him out. Where your mother there, right? Who responds for you? Come here, yard. Go your yard. Me say go on your yard. No, go on your yard, man. Boy, I think I get with that one to bump and scout, eh?
Look, me I tell my father upon you.
Tell his father upon you, hey, I hear that? Eh? You know your papa? Go tell the father upon you. You think me I get like a break from out of baseball? From Negril, straight down here, sir? Eh? How am I gonna come down here? That's some bust my gun upon you. Eh? Shut your mouth if I think to talk, boy. What do you think this is?
Nobody no man.
Eh? So can you over there? Don't understand why is it that? It come like una germs. Eh? Una germs and me a bacteria sitting. Eh? Oh, some man. You sure it's a candy in there? Candy! Candy!
How would that call me? Hello! Me coming!
You don't take your money? Hmm? Candy!
How would that call me?
What mean say what did I call you? Eh? This a boy, if you, hey, how you point pan? Eh?
Where, hold on there.
What mean say hold on there? Candy?
Now you're looking at me.
You have no idea which spot me find some boy? You have no idea what the circumstance is? You have no idea, Candy?
Where hold on for me picnic so far? I want to do again.
Mommy, my teacher give me one science project so feel practice how to light fire, mommy. And I hit me do, mommy, because over the dry, mommy, and enough dry grass, mommy, and me light it, mommy. And
right.
And he see me.
The teacher give you that project?
Yes, mommy. It's part of my homework.
I want assignment. Wow, wait, hold on. Remember, saying not so educated in my son, but they know. Oi!
Hey, boy, look at this absolute leak out.
Hello.
Hold this. Let me tell you this. You see, it don't come like it don't really have some issues.
May I give you time for talk?
Exactly.
Because they act like a son little... Look here, don't make me start paying no Officer Smile. A long time me know your friend Negril, you know. Me know you and your dirty style, your dirty attitude, them look like I eat you go college for.
What happened
at Negril? I know how you turn police, you know.
What happened at Negril? Make it stay at Negril. Right?
Anything when me left on Negril, me they pick up your back right now because me don't understand how they transfer you from Negril police station to Peter Seal. What you do down here? Me run from the crosses down there.
Me run from crosses down there too.
Especially to you dirty police boy, me run from you and you come down here so let go me son.
Hello. He's now in the state.
No, come out of me yard, you can't do that. I will call me lawyer upon you and tell him say you come in and me yard and assault me.
Candy.
Me hold on for me son so far.
Candy. You see, right now, you see this? This means a police. This means a justice.
No, police not supposed to work together. Where you squad there? You know no evidence. What you doing here?
What you doing? What thing you say? Hey,
Christ! You kill me, son!
Let me
kill me, son!
Hey, let me tell you this.
Officer!
Assault me!
You carry a quote!
Eh?
Big boy!
Hey!
Big boy! Big Jesus Christ!
You feel say that?
Big boy!
Get up, man! Not doing. Get up, boy! What shot? You know something? You say, hey!
Big boy!
Una classes, you know. We kill your son. Look on that face. Watch your face.
Wait.
Get up. You damn fool. Roll around. You see what I'm...
Big boy. You all right? Big boy. Oh, my son all right. Come on, Tommy.
So conky, me see.
Come on.
Just because, you see people like, you know, him nearly burn down a village. And just because if fire never get closer to the place, him bought him a light cane field. How if you like cane field? The boy nearly burn down the blinking cane field. You see you?
Don't tell me from my son.
Shut your mouth.
Come shut me up. I feel...
If you know what you know, shut him out. I swear some get rid of one, you know. From Negril right back to Petersfield. I know say me move and boss transfer me to somewhere else. Who not gonna do that too? Like on a pet.
I'm tired of you, I can transfer you down here.
You don't worry about that.
I'm tired of you, I come down here, come like a stalk, you stalk me. Where they follow back on me for?
Me have evidence for sure, say, this a boy, yeah, like
show
the
me,
fire.
come in know my son.
Yeah, you know him. Me have evidence. Hold on, them phone open. Me have evidence for sure you.
That's not my son. That's not my son. People feel like people. Go on about your business.
Me have evidence, and my evidence so is confidential. You understand me? So you can stay there and go on. One thing me I tell you, say, keep this idiot. Cause most of
who you call idiot?
Idiot boy that.
You can't shoot me. Come out of here. The neighbor them a watch. The neighbor them a watch. Me have evidence.
Eh? I told you
come out of me yard. Come out of your yard. Somebody here look. Remember, say you used to look me a nigga. That's why I left front down the cross. It's police boy.
No, go ahead.
Come out of me yard, you dirty red. Come out of me yard. And you light the can piece of fire and you tell light for me son. You had to drop off. You're ugly now. Come on. Come on. Me no say no you light no fire. Wicked policeman. Wicked.
They get a bad style they do it neat.
Yeah man, you know say I do it, bro. Yesterday I was strong, you know. Yeah.
Last year, I'm sorry I couldn't buy it too much. I'm gonna be fitting.
Same thing set man. You all want to part yesterday and be too liquor same and me down again. You don't know what to say. The money not right yet, man. We have to just give thanks to life. I know say the money go right, you see me? You don't know except when we see how we boss are rolling now. We have to roll the same way now. Don't fuss about nothing.
Pauline.
Why you love send police come for locked in a bush to
I tell you one for real.
We just go and have a liquor slip and go right there, fool. But we still lock you up, you know. One slip there now and do it. Tell them there. No, say I boom me police and boom me too much though.
Sure.
Tell me I tell her that. No.
What go on that shopper, man? Think alright?
Yes, Mr. Officer Smile, everything alright. I don't know if things that we are going easy there and hold it on.
You there?
Mr. Smile, yes, sir.
So tell me something, I'm not illegal there, sir, right now?
No, I'm a boss.
Not illegal?
Nothing illegal. That's how I look. Nothing, you know? Yeah.
Alright, I wish to inform you guys that at the end of the day, in Jamaica, they say that weed is legal, but it's not legal. It's decriminalized. Meaning I cannot lock you up for one split. But I can guarantee if you have 6 ounces or more, you'll be spending some time downtown for sure. You know what I mean? So I don't know if you want to declare anything before you leave out.
Officer Smiley, I tell you the truth, you know, my boss. You know, so we are good youth and right now we not too do not give no trouble in that district, you know, but don't know, I just look at weed we burn and all we look at vibes. So
Alright. Let me tell you something, sir. Anytime you see me on a spot, means say me get a phone call or something go wrong. See? They have called me and said that somebody in a blue shirt. But the funniest thing about this thing is that both of you in blue shirt. You understand me? Yeah, one in a sky blue, one in a blue. You understand? So, but the thing is this. The only thing I give you away, Mr. Sir, is that you have dreads. And that's the description they said with the red turban.
Me?
Yes, sir.
No, Officer Smiley, I'm not me, man.
Sir.
Mine not him, you know, because I'm in a blue shirt.
I'm working shirt, you know. Mr. Smiley.
You working shirt?
Yes, sir.
Alright, if it's a working shirt, you work on the way out.
Yeah, well, see,
you know
sir, I'm working shirt, sir.
The description never fit you, you know, so you're lucky, you know.
Yeah, see, there's a work me I come from and I get a little split and sir, I go home and I see.
Alright, I'm telling this now.
The shop, sir. Come in the shop.
It's too much talking right now, you know, I step away from the vehicle.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, license and registration, no relevant violence. Yes, sir, you, sir. I want to tell you that right now, the call I get, you know, is that you is a scammer.
Officer Smiley, me I don't know scammer. Me a chopper. You see me? But I grass me chopper and get money. And I foreign people me chop grass for and get US.
What are you talking to me about? No, you name Ching Bang Lee from the scamming industry, eh? What are you talking about?
Yeah,
Let me tell you this, man.
Me name so, but me I don't know scammer.
Alright. But empty your pocket, empty your pocket. Hey, stay right there, stay right there, stay right there. Don't step to me. If I say step to me, you step to me. If I say stay right there, stay right there.
But you say
I said empty your pocket. Never say step to me. You understand me?
But you say empty pocket. You know?
Empty your pocket, sir. Yeah, man, there we go, right there, we go, right there. Hand it over here,
Yes, officer.
Yeah, man, hand it over here.
But
you don't worry about it.
But I eat alone.
Hand it, I don't care what you have alone. Yeah, man, everything, man. Give it with love, give generously. So, Mr. Jim Lee from the scamming industry, continue doing your work, man, because you're doing a good job, you know what I mean? And what I mean you're doing a good job is that you have to understand, so when you see me, you understand, you know, what you need to do, right? So like the good book say, hello, I'll be quiet. No, you see me?
No, I don't.
Abracadabra.
Bored. Yeah, you chick, man. Chicks are for kids, so that me I tell you police do. If you can give them a little money like that, eh? Won't you? Keep on a fool. Keep on a hey, that officer Smiley. You go on. Chopping off, you go on. Boy, you don't want money. Hey, boy, him see me again and I check nothing up.
Bombs checking our account and make the skull upset. Nobody know what done set. Back of the class, we know the subject. Big boy! How you do what yourself? You know, see over there, so me just be there just to cry. So why come in there at school? You know, see, my mother send me go work with the potted matops. Yeah, but with the teacher, you know, yeah, I'm in teacher because the man tell me me can't eat. I'm hungry. And he send me out of stuff. I can't hold on for my ears and play. No, Daddy, you start eat now. When my teacher said, Daddy, we don't eat around here, we consume. Brother, what is this? You know, you no more. Alright. If I eat it, I start eat. In that frame, I'll tell you in that frame. Alright, so the teacher said, oh, say, this hold on for your ears, okay, just sitting wrong. Okay. Alright, so I train him and go learn. But you don't feel like to go. So time for come on and me go on the road. Me I tell him say, hey, stay in a school. Ready? Take yourself walk around and go on this. Then they get locked. Then you can walk on this and come on. Or you can catch a walk over this and come on. Ready now, Alton, ready. Daddy, the teacher. Ready? Hold on. Ready.
I run in a class and I do my work and I did eat and the teacher tell me say,
Tell us, say, Daddy, stop using the word them, man. When me tell you last week, say, we stop using the word them. We not eat around here, we consume.
Whatever, a teacher tell me say, me to come out and so come put my foot on my ears and then I'm foot.
Alright, yeah. Me can't help you today, look, I guess what? The last time me go help you, your mother give me some liquor out of her fat food. And me know how me go get this slap out of her fat food again.
Come again.
No, man, stay at this, man. Last time your mother give me a liquor out of her fat food. Ready?
Ready.
Ready.
You can't ready.
Last time my mother go lick me out of her fat food, me can't help you. Oh, me can't help you, Daddy. Cause last time my mother go lick me out of her fat food. Me have to go get in a trouble with your mother and me. And plus my mother upon it up it. Me no eat, Daddy. So what you gonna do it differently?
No, I don't know the teacher me. I don't like a teacher that just fat
What do you mean in my yard?
Me say me in the yard. Hey, back up from me, back up from me.
Come on, tell me
Hey, come out your yard.
Mommy.
Hey, back, boy. Hey, yo.
No, can't laugh.
Wait, come look here, manage.
Get up, man. Get up, boy. What shot? You know something? You say, hey.
This boy.
We're not class,
kill my son.
We kill your son. Look on that face. Look at your face. Get up. Damn fool. Roll around. You say what?
Big boy. You alright? Big boy. I want some arrest. Come on, tell me.
Come, you see? Just because, you see people that go, him nearly burn down the village. Just because if fire never get closer to the place, him bought him a like Kenfield. Or if you like Kenfield.
Don't tell me I promise, son.
Shut your mouth.
Shut me up. I feel...
If you know what you know, shut your mouth. I swear someone get rid of here. From Negril right back to Petersfield. I know say me move and boss transfer me to somewhere else. Who not gonna do that to? Like when I pay.
I'm tired that you can transfer you down here.
You don't worry about that.
I'm tired that you come down here, come like a star can't start me. When they follow back on me for?
Me have evidence for sure, say. This a boy here, like
you
the fire.
You come know my son.
Yeah, you know him. Me have evidence. Hold on. Me have evidence for sure you.
That's not my son. That's not my son. People feel like people. Go on about your business.
Me have evidence. And my evidence
so
is confidential. You understand me? So you can stay there and go on. One thing I tell you, say, keep this idiot. I'm most one idiot.
You call idiot?
Idiot, boy.
You afraid of you? You can't shoot me. Come out of here.
You can't shoot me. Try again.
Try again. Watch me have evidence.
Eh? I told you go
come out of me yard.
Come out of yard.
As somebody you look, remember, see you used to look me and niggle. That's why I left front down the cross.
Yeah,
police boy.
No, go ahead.
Come out of me yard, you dirty wretch. Come out of me yard. Are you light the key and piece of fire and you tell life on my son? You had to drop off your ugly now. Come on. Me no say no you light no fire. Wicked policeman. Wicked.
I believe say you still get trouble, boy. So
and I do nothing.
Let me say nothing, eh? You know far me I come from? Me left from Negril and me still see you down this a place the chief send me for up so me try to escape you and you still there, boy?
Listen,
your mama know how to take your money? Your mama know how to take your money?
And you take it.
Me take what?
You. My mother have camera down there.
Boy, me conk you with the gun, you know.
Conk me, me I no thief.
You know no thief? So you call me thief? You call me thief? Hey boy, go down there. Down here right now. Down there.